like to understand your journey in the financial services industry, and what points in your career did you think that this is something where you want to be? How did it all begin, and how did the PMS firm as well be established?
So, I mean, I'll have to go a little back. I mean, I started in 1997, that is just after my 10th. So, in our Marwadi Gujarati families, families are like, 3 mahina chutti hai, so what will you do? So, you rather go to office. So that is when I started going to office regularly for 2 months. And then I got glued to looking at the screen also, and then reading about the businesses, reading about the companies, and speaking to my brother about all the businesses he's invested in. And that got me curious. So I went through few companies there, and I was part of the family office initially. So for 10 years, I learned from him how to look at companies and, so on and so forth. And then I moved to the institutional side of our company, where I worked and serviced all the mutual funds, insurance companies, banks, and met all the people outside. So first 10 years were, in the room. Then the next 10 years were outside meeting people and knowing more and more about companies were very, very good. I mean, this is the only business where you are able to learn about many businesses together. So I kept getting interested, and then I think after 20 years I thought, okay, there is something I want to do all my life. So then I moved over to managing money, and that is how it started.